Hi, it's Lori with Positive Thanks Living. 7 days Summer Digi 2021. This is for day 4. And I made some tags today. A swing tag. I think I saw Cara do that one. With a stamp like this. And I did a journaling tag. This one is from DearJulieJulie. And a pocket tag. With a little bit of washi. And then I realized I wanted to start playing with these eyelets or grommets. What do you call them? I'm not sure. This has a brad, so it'll sting. Swing. So I made a few more tags. Just adding some washi and some labels and a stamp. And this is the lemon. So that was day 4 of the 7-day Summer Digi 2021. Take care. It's Lori with Positive Thanks Living.